Okay, so we're going to put our KN95 mask to the test and illustrate how we do in fact have 6 layers. This is the premium quality KN95 fully certified. The first layer consists of the non-woven fabric base on the outer layer. Now this layer is the melt-blown cotton layer on the second layer, and that's the third, fourth, and fifth layer. This is actually the melt-blown fabric that consists of 3 separate layers compressed. So there's 1, 2, okay, and 3. So there's 3 layers combined. So this is the most important component of a melt-blown fabric that's compressed. And that's the last layer. That is the skin layer that touches your skin. So basically ours would have 6 layers total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now other factories, which I've actually received some samples today, I just wanted to show that there's 4 thin layers only. There's 4 layers. And it feels really thin, and I don't believe these are the full melt-blown layer. It feels very thin, and it's not comparable at all with what we are producing from our factory. This one also from a different factory. 1, 2. This one only has 3 layers.